Welcome back to our deep dive into FutrOS Maintenance Management. In this video, we will explore the third part of the module, Tickets. Let's begin with the dashboard. The Ticket Status Overview provides a comprehensive status of all tickets generated since commission date or within a selected time frame. The Open Tickets by Category section gives a status overview of all open tickets categorized by type, whether system-generated or manually generated. Component-wise status overview provides insights into the status of tickets generated for each component, allowing for targeted analysis. Tickets by category distribution presents the tickets based on their categories, giving a clear picture of how issues are being categorized and managed. Time metrics for open tickets offers crucial time-based insights into open tickets, showing the duration from ticket generation to the present. Metrics can be viewed based on components or categories with average time and maximum time indicators. Resolution time for closed tickets analyzes how long it took to resolve and close tickets. Users can switch between viewing the data by components or categories with average time and maximum time indicators. Current month open tickets timeline shows the timeline of all open or in-progress tickets for the current month, including descriptions, status, and duration. Creating a new ticket is simple. Just fill in the ticket name, due date, severity, type of components, assign it to a team member, add a description, select the type of ticket, add attachments, and tap Create Ticket. The My Tickets section has two options, Assigned to Me and Action Required by Me. Here you can view all tickets assigned to or requiring action from you listed by name, status, due date, resources, and last updated. In the tickets list, you can use filters like Not Started, In Progress, and Clear filters to refine your view. You can also delete tickets directly from the list. Finally, the Report section lets you select a date, component types, and key performance indicators to generate detailed reports. These reports show ticket name, status, due date, duration, and assigned personnel and can be downloaded in CSV or PDF formats. That's an overview of the tickets part of the FutrOS Maintenance Management module. Stay tuned for more insights into our system.